Want to speak real Danish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at danishclass101.com.
Hey everyone, I'm Jonas. Hej alle sammen, jeg hedder Jonas. Welcome to the Danish whiteboard lessons. In this lesson, you'll learn how to say where you're from. Let's get started. Alright, let's look at today's dialogue. When I read, I want you to pay attention to the place name. Find where the speaker is from and see how they say that in the dialogue. Here we go. Hvor kommer du fra? Jeg kommer fra Aalborg. So in English, that's where are you from? The answer is I'm from Aalborg. Now, let's look at the sentence pattern. This pattern will be the structure that all of our dialogues will follow. Here we go. Jeg fra, and then we put either place or city and country in. Okay, let's look at the vocabulary. First we have hvor. Hvor means where. It's a general HV question word. Hvor. 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 Next is kommer. Kommer means come. It's the verb of to come, either to or from in Danish. Kommer. 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 Next is du. It's the Danish pronoun of you, second person singular. Du. 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 And then we have fra. Fra is the Danish preposition of from. Fra. 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 Then we have jeg. Jeg is the I in Danish. It's a pronoun of first person singular. Jeg. 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 Last one is Aalborg. Aalborg is the city up here in the northern part of Jutland. Aalborg. 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 Now, let's look at some of the speaking examples. Jeg kommer fra Jylland. I'm from Jutland. Next is jeg kommer fra Odense. I'm from Odense. All right, at this point, we'll take a little bit closer look at the tiny map here we have of Denmark. So, the three main regions in Denmark are, here we go, the peninsula is called Jylland. Also in English, Jutland. Middle Island is Fyn. In English, Funen. Eastern Island is Sjælland. In English, Sealand. And the four main cities that you should know is the capital on Sjælland called København. On Fyn, we're looking at Odense. And in Jylland, we need to know about Aalborg in the north and Aarhus. Hvor kommer du fra? So this is a Danish phrase, where are you from, in English. Even though Danish and English are quite similar in grammar and phrasing, this basic phrase, it differs a little bit. Danes, they ask more plainly, where do you come from? The meaning and use in conversation is exactly the same as in English. Do you remember how to say I? Jeg. Jeg. And how to say you? Du. Du. Do you remember how to say where? Hvor. Hvor. And how to say from? Kommer fra. Kommer fra. Do you remember how to say I'm from? Jeg kommer fra. Jeg kommer fra. And how to say I'm from Aalborg. Jeg kommer fra Aalborg. Jeg kommer fra Aalborg. In this lesson, you learned how to say where you're from in Danish. Thanks for watching. I'm Jonas, and I will see you on danishclass101.com. Vi ses. Hej hej.
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.